With zipBoard, you can review websites, web apps, e-learning courses, images, videos, and PDF documents. You can share reviews and assign tasks using annotations, markups, and screen recordings, and you can track and report issues. Share links that have required sign-up/login and view all and add new board/comments access means that you must sign up and sign in to a zipBoard account to gain access to the upload you've been assigned to review. Once logged in, you can view the content of the upload that has been shared with you, as well as the comments and annotations of others who have reviewed the upload. You will also be able to create your own annotations and comments on the upload. This means that you will most likely see arrows, pencil drawings, boxes, and highlighted text on the upload, along with their associated comments, and you will be able to create those annotations and comments on your own. If you're not sure what kind of share link you've been given, it's always best to contact the person who shared the link with you to double check the permissions they have enabled.